Okay, so guys, I deleted my other video because I don't know why it was so blurry, but it was. But so I wanted to come do it again to give you guys a clear look of my braids because I just didn't like the way that video came out after it was finished processing. Um, but this is what it looks like. I think it's cute. Show you the back. Hopefully you can see it. Yeah. This is a little hair jewelry I put in it. This is this one, cute little beads and some shells. This one is just a little rhinestone tassel hanging off. There's some more mixed in the braids. One thing I did forget to mention in the first video was that, girl, I ain't got no baby here. What baby here? I don't have no baby here. I'm sorry. Never have. Can't make any because, yeah, if I do that, then y'all see my grades. Don't judge me. I'm not old. I'm seasoned. Okay? But for real, I don't know if it's because my hair is natural and not relaxed. If I pull a little bit of my hair out to try to make baby hairs, girl, it don't work. I don't care what kind of gel I use. I don't care what kind of pomade, however you want to say it. I can't find nothing to hold it down and make it stay. It'll be okay for about a minute. And then it'll curl right back up and will not stay laid down. So if y'all got any suggestions out there, please drop some in the comments about what kind of gel I can use. Non-flaking, please. That will hold down natural edges, because, yeah, I want to be cute with baby hair too. Y'all see my lot of space on my forehead. Yes, I don't have a big forehead. I have a low hairline. A low hairline, not a big forehead. Just a lot of space. Extra brain. Let me see the profile. Yeah, so when I come in the door, my forehead comes first. And then the rest of me follows. Anyway, I just wanted y'all to come and see the braids. Again, I know I said I was going to do it myself, but it was too hot. It was going to take too long. It was just worth it for me to just go ahead and pay somebody to do it. You remember, I was kind of iffy about the color, but it turned out okay. Again, my only issue with the hair, and that was my fault, not the person that braided it, was that the ends of it didn't really take to the water. But other than that, I think it came out cute. I just wanted y'all to see it. And it's just up to the ponytail right now. I just wanted y'all to see it because, yeah, the video I posted before this one was very, very blurry. I'm not sure why, because I didn't use my camera to post it. I used my phone, but I used my phone and posted the one before that, and that one came out clear. So I don't know why the second one came out so blurry. But this is what she looked like. I'm gonna try to keep it in for at least a month. I do recommend braids as a protective style if you could find someone that is not going to rip your edges out. Something I mentioned in the video before this, before I deleted it, so I'll mention it again. These braids around my edges are braids that I took out, and I did them over last night, because if you look closely, this is the person that braided my hair. This is their work. You see how close their braid is to my scalp. And then this is the braids I did myself that has some space and wiggle room there, because I don't want my edges to come out, and I was just kind of nervous about it. It's been so many years since I had braids, so I just didn't want my edges to come out. So I decided, let me just do it myself around the edges, even though, like I said, it was not really it wasn't tight when she was braiding it, and it was really surprising. Because I remember the last time I had my hair braided, again, was years and years ago. Because I'm from the Bronx, I was in Harlem, and they got nothing but a bunch of African hair braiders out there. And if you walk in, it's like they literally lined up and they will grab you. You want braids? You want braids? You want braids? And one day, that's what it was. One weekend, me and my best friend was going out, and she was going to get braids first. And I went with her and her boyfriend, and she talked me into getting some too. Number one, I hated them. I absolutely hated them. It was like they were bigger than this, and it was braided down into like a bob. But I guess because they was bigger than this, and because I never had my hair like that before, the braids was pretty stiff. They hadn't actually got loose and fell down and looked cute. So immediately when I got home, I took them shits out. But not only that, they was tight as fuck. Like, I wasn't prepared for them because, again, I wasn't going to get them. I was going with my best friend so she could get some. And it was crazy because later on that night, when we went out, her and her boyfriend really couldn't believe that I went home and took them shits out. You just literally just got these shits done and paid for them. Oh my God, let me stop cursing. Stop cursing. You literally just got your hair done and you really just went home and took them out, got dressed, did what you had to do, and we went out. And it was like, I just seen you a little while ago, your hair was braided. And it was like, oh, it looks nice. I absolutely hated it. But anyway, they braid tight. Them Africans, or they believe in grabbing all your little see all these my little teeny hairs up. They believe in grabbing all of that and snatching it back. And I think what makes it come out is the way they start off the knot to do your hair. I guess everybody has different techniques, and again, this is something that happened years and years ago, so maybe the techniques have changed today. I don't know. I know the lady that did my hair, I didn't feel anything. It didn't hurt. I was contemplating taking some Tylenol before she started, but I didn't need to, which was good. But back then, yeah, because it was unexpected and I didn't know. It's like my head was throbbing. I could not wait to get home to take them braids out because I was like, ain't no way in the world I'm gonna number one, this is not cute to me at all. Although I got a lot of space on my forehead. Excuse me. My face is narrow. So it was like, I looked like the Black Dora the Explorer. I swear to you, I did not like them. Plus it was real tight and they had grabbed all of this. I was like, oh no. Back then there wasn't really no concern with people thinking the edges is going to come out. Back then they was just like, yeah, this is cute. That's all they was worried about. But I've been wearing weaves and making my wigs and buying wigs and wearing frontals for some years now. And thank God, knock on wood, I never had an issue with my edges falling out or losing my edges or anything like that, and I just didn't want to start. So although the lady that did my hair did a really good job and the braids were not tight at all, and it looks good, I really like it. I definitely will, when I'm ready for braids, go back to her again. Because in the summertime, during these summer months, I just cannot take, hold on guys, I cannot take the frontals and the wigs hanging down on the back of my neck. It's just too hot for me. So normally, for those that know me, you know that I usually have my wigs on during the winter months and the fall. So by around April-ish, early May is when I would take my wigs off and then start just wearing my afros or my faux hawks or however I'm gonna wear my natural hair. And then at around September-ish, mid-September, beginning of October is when I would start putting my wigs back on. I just can't take it. At least with the braids, I can get to my scalp. You know what I mean? I can wash my hair with these braids in. I can condition it. I can put my oils in my scalp. Right now I'm using the Erica J Butterfly Growth Oil. If y'all don't know about that, now you know. Y'all gonna thank me later. If you never tried it, buy some Erica J Butterfly Growth Oil. When I tell you that oil works, it smells delicious and it's very light. It's not heavy and it doesn't weigh your hair down. So I think I'm gonna start doing videos with some of the products and things that I try. You know, whether it's ideas that I got from other influences, um, or wherever. I think I'm gonna start making videos and just reviewing it. So y'all let me know if y'all would watch that or if would even be interested in something like that. But I'm telling you, because my hair has grown so much and it's still growing. And I'm telling you, this Erica J Butterfly Growth Oil is the truth. I'm gonna get you the bottle. Hold on. Okay, so this is the original size bottle that she made. I just want to get a close up. So if there's anybody out there interested, I'm telling you, try it. I promise you, you're gonna love it. Erica J Butterfly Growth Oil. As y'all can see, it's empty. Empty. This was the original size. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of pricey. I mean, it's only pricey when you add the shipping because I think it's like $10, $11 just for the shipping. So the product itself is not that expensive. It's just when you add the shipping to it, it's like, damn, but I'm telling you, it's worth it. You're gonna love it. This was the original size that it came. And everybody raved about it and loved it. Like, it's not that new, but it's fairly one of her newer products. And when I tell y'all, people raved about it and raved about it and raved about it. You see, I think I probably had around 5 or 6 bottles of the small ones that's all gone. She just recently, and this is what I love about her, and congratulations on your pregnancy, Erica. She just recently came out with a bigger bottle. She listened to her followers and her fan base, and she made the big bottle. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I want to say this bottle was $35. I want to say it was $35, but that's not bad for such a big bottle. Such a big bottle. And as y'all can see, it looks watery, but it's not real thick. But this oil is worth it, so buy it. Again, let me know if y'all would be interested in reviews. But I wanted to show y'all my hair. This is what it looks like, because I don't want to get off topic. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.